Hi, scientists. You've been learning about the distribution of water on Earth, and today you're going to continue that learning and add to your schema. I have set up a folder, and in that folder you're going to work your way through different activities. You're going to be reading, you're going to be writing in your science journal, and you're going to be answering questions. It's important that you take your time and do each item that's in the folder. I want to show you a few things to help you be successful. Right now you're right here where it says start here and you're watching the video. It does say click next to start learning. Remember, it's next up here. I did my best that when it's highlighted in yellow, that means you need to take action. So for example, see how it says open your science journal to a blank page. So that means that you need to take action. Write the 2 questions in your science journal. Writing is an action. Watch the video and answer the questions in your journal. So each time that the direction asks for you to do something, please do that. Once again, you'll use the next button. This is a check-in to make sure that you have the information and your understanding. There's going to be a couple of articles that you are going to read, and it says when you are ready to click the image, when you're ready to read, click the image below. When you click, it takes you to a new tab. If it asks for you to make a copy, go ahead and click that copy. So now you have a tab open for the article and you have a tab open for Schoology. So you will read the article and then go back to Schoology. Leave the article tab open just in case you need to go back and get details. And then you head back to Schoology and continue working your way through. Okay? Once again, it's important that you take your time, read the directions, and follow the directions. Please do your best to show what you know.